Hello everyone, how are you? First, I am Tahir from Pakistan. Today, I am going to share tips that will make chemistry easier because many people believe that chemistry is very difficult subject. Of course, you think so too. This video is for you if you want to overcome this problem. Today, I will share 8 tips which make chemistry easier. The first tip which you should to apply yourself is your thinking. If you think that chemistry is so hard and difficult, then no one solves this problem. So first you should to think chemistry is easy. Tip 2 is focus on basic concepts. Focus on whatever the topic you read. Understand the basics of everything done in it. If you are unable to understand, then no worry. Just focus as much as you can. Tip 3, practice your work daily. Whatever study chemistry, go home and practice it again and again. This way, many concepts will be clear to you soon. If concepts remain unclear, then focus on next point. Tip 4 is group study. This point is very important. This point is solution to all your problems. Make a group of 3 to 4 people and discuss the topic together. When a topic is discussed 4 different times with 4 new ideas, all confusion will disappear. The next tip, make a plan to divide larger topics into smaller ones. Once your concepts are clear, you have to divide the big topic into smaller ones and make a separate schedule for each part. Other tip is advanced reading. Whenever you so to attend new lecture of new topic, you should to read topic in advance. Due to this trick, you will understand the topic immediately. The next factor is focus on your work, not on your grade. If you focus on your grade, then you are unable to overcome this problem. The last thing is trust on your memory. The last point is very important. If you don't believe in yourself, you will lose your confidence, and until you find the chemistry is so difficult, after this you will soon feel it is a boring subject.